Okay, guys, it's 8 a.m. on Tuesday here, Lafayette Park, and I'm at the White House, and it's hard to see exactly what they're doing. They got they got an excavator here, and it doesn't look like it's doing any digging. It's moving these Jersey barriers, and they're putting up like a wall, small wall, and this is the fountain in front of the White House that's now been turned off. And so who knows what they're doing. But it's not uncommon when they do projects. If I were to show you the Capitol, or even the other side on the ellipse where they were still finishing this fence, this big fence here, oftentimes when they're doing work, or all the time when they're doing work at the White House or the Capitol or most government buildings, they do cover them up and create like a barrier so we can't see what's going on behind. But it almost looks like they are maybe doing some work with this fountain or something. I'm not really sure. But anyway, that's what's going on here at the White House this morning on Tuesday. And you got contractors and stuff, and they, for whatever reason, sometimes we can cross over and I can get right close to the fence, but probably because they're doing this work, I'm stuck out here. But so that's what's happening. So you have, Secret Service is out today. But yeah, so look, so they're laying that one right there. So they're laying that one right there on the other side of the fountain. So you can see these three guys right here dropping a Jersey barrier right now. It just got set down, or they're moving it slightly. So it looks like this is going to encompass this fountain, and then maybe they're, changing the fountain over or doing something, right? And so, and this is of course where the press is. You got Secret Service here. So that's what it looks like. It's freezing here. It's like, I think it's about 23 degrees, and then, 23 degrees and windy this morning at the White House. So that's the latest.